There cannot be a Mexican party without a piñata, a carton or clay container filled with candies and treats. The children strike it with stick and trying to break it, hoping to enjoy its contents. The monks used the piñata in 16th century to teach a lesson to the indigenous people of Mexico. The piñatas were starred with 7 points that represented the seven deadly sins. Beating piñata showed the struggle against the evil, and once the treats inside fell into the ground, the people could bring them home in remembrance of the rewards in keeping the faith. But we cannot fight evil on our own, and God does not wait on our effort so that He will show His mercy to us. The book of Ephesians teaches us that by grace you have been saved through faith. It is the gift of God. We don't beat sin. Christ has done that already. The children fight for the candies from the piñata, but God's gift comes to all of us when we believe in Jesus. God has already blessed us with spiritual blessings. We receive forgiveness of sins, redemption, adoption, new life, joy, love, and much more. Always remember that spiritual blessings comes only through God's grace. Another day, another life lesson.